Imagine transforming a worn-out single-story house on a modest plot into a vibrant modern home tailored for a young family. This is exactly what Carlton Cottage achieves. But here's where it gets interesting. Instead of simply renovating, the architects at Lovell Burton Architecture took a thoughtful approach that balances respect for the past with innovative solutions for the future. Located in Carlton, Australia, this project redefines what a small home can be by addressing key challenges like water management, natural lighting, and thermal comfort, all while maintaining a strong connection to the original cottage's historical character. Designed by Stephanie Burton and Joseph Lovell, Carlton Cottage is more than just a house. It's a carefully crafted response to practical living needs, combined with a philosophy of adaptability and sustainability. The architects deliberately avoided overindulgence in materials, focusing instead on creating spaces that feel open, flexible, and inviting. This approach highlights spatial quality over flashy finishes, proving that thoughtful design can elevate even the most modest homes. Constructed by Cale Peters Construction and completed in 2024, the 150-square-meter residence showcases how smart architectural choices can enhance everyday living. For example, the team prioritized water management strategies to ensure the home is resilient and environmentally responsible. They also optimize natural light to improve the ambiance and reduce energy consumption, while thermal performance enhancements keep the interior comfortable year-round. What's truly compelling is how the design respects the cottage's heritage without being constrained by it. The architects took cues from the original structure's form and context, weaving these elements into a contemporary layout that feels both fresh and familiar. This delicate balance between old and new invites us to reconsider how we approach renovations. Should we preserve history at all costs? Or is there room for reinterpretation that serves today's needs better? Carlton Cottage invites a broader conversation about sustainable living and architectural integrity. Is it more important to cling to traditional aesthetics, or should adaptability and regeneration take precedence in modern home design? This project challenges us to think critically about these questions. For those interested in exploring more about Carlton Cottage and other innovative residential projects, ArcDaily offers a comprehensive platform. You can browse through various categories, including houses in Australia, to see how architects worldwide are pushing boundaries. Published on September 15, 2025, this project is a testament to how thoughtful design can transform not just a building, but the way we live within it. What do you think? Should architects prioritize historical preservation, or is it time to embrace bold reinterpretations? Share your thoughts and join the discussion.